Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but what we've been doing is working on getting this bumper in place, painting it, doing all of that work. The next thing we're going to do is we've test fitted it. We're going to test fit it a little bit more. We're going to put it on the car, and then the next thing we're going to do is actually bolt it all in, make sure it's good. We've had a couple of challenges, including getting the small trim piece in, getting the lights in with broken brackets, rust and corrosion causing some issues there, in addition to the accident damaging some things. And lastly, we've had some fitment issues with the bumper. Now that we've worked through all that, let's get this on the car, get some of the brackets replaced, and move forward. Alright, so you can see the this is the new bumper reinforcement bracket. It's going to go up right under here so we can attach the bumper. You can see this is the old corroded one. When I was trying to take the bolt off, it just stripped. So we've got also some new bolts here, and we've got the bracket. We're going to get those on, replace both sides, and move forward. Well, we can see we got everything all done. Over here, there's one tab missing, so I'll do something about that. And then on the bottom here, what I try to do, similar to over here, is like sort of mold it a little bit differently so it brings that up, but I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. On this one, it didn't seem to work too well, but you can see you've got all of our lights working. Fog lights, headlights. We got the other like trim piece under the bumper, or under the hood on top of the bumper in, and yeah, it looks like everything's working well. Got our slide marker on, so that's good. Alright, so we got this trim piece back on, and got it warmed up to operating temperature. We're looking to see if this fan went on, because the connector was just a little chipped in one part. Want to make sure there's no other damage that pulled the wire loose or something like that. I just heard it go on, so it looks like we're all good. Like I said, we just got this one tab missing here. Maybe we'll just need to replace this whole grill. Maybe take a heat gun, kind of put that back up. But the fog lights work, everything works, and looks like we're just about done with this rebuild. Now it's time to go get it inspected. Hey everyone, we're outside right now, getting some pictures of the Mustang. As you can tell, it's kind of cold here in New Jersey. I believe it was 9 degrees this morning, and I think it's just below 20 here in the afternoon, but I'm in the sun in a black jacket, so it's not too bad. What you have to do in the state of New Jersey is you have to get 2 pictures showing all 4 sides of the car. So from our angle here, we're going to get the front side and passenger side, and then we're going to have to go around the back, take a picture showing the rear bumper and driver's side. I then have to take the pictures that either come from the salvage auction, or they're going to have to be pictures that I took earlier in this build. You have to print them out with an application and $200 fee. You have to pay that fee to your local DMV. That enables you to make an appointment at one of 3 inspection sites in the state. If we pass that inspection, which I fully anticipate we will, even though we don't have all the little things done, such as like we don't have the hood scoop back on, we don't have the rear spoiler back on, we should be able to get that rebuild title, and then we'll be able to drive around the streets of New Jersey, and we'll be done for the build. I know it's been some time over this build, especially completing it. We got so much done in the beginning, but with winter and not enough garage space, as you saw from the Corvette and then our 2 daily drivers, I've also been working on the Jeep Grand Cherokee, which is probably just out of frame here, or just in frame. It's a '05 with about 182,000 miles on it now, so you'll probably see some videos of that coming up as well. So stay tuned. We're almost near the end here, and I think after the inspection, we'll make sure everything's good from a driving perspective. The cool thing in the state of New Jersey, you don't need to tow your car to the inspection site, but 5 days before an inspection, assuming you have insurance, you can also get a 5-day temporary registration, which also acts as almost like if you were buying a new car, you'd get a temporary plate. So we'll do that. We'll drive around, make sure there's nothing urgent that we need to fix to get it to the inspection site, because if you do not get it to an inspection site, you have to go through the application process again, pay another $200 fee. That's government working for you, of course, but again, we fully anticipate everything's fine, even going up and down the short driveway we have here at the house. Everything seems to be running well. Car's running well. Fluids are good. I don't anticipate there being any concerns there. But stay tuned, and hopefully we can wrap this build up, prepare for the next.